Balik ako ng Quadcom. Kung makaano kayo sa 125 million na confidential funds na kaya namang sagutin talaga ng OVP.
I agree.
Ito nga, wala talaga kayong sinagot na issue about pera. Every time tinatanong kayo sa pera, wala kayong maisagot. Kaya umaabot kayo sa korte. Yan ang nangyayari sa inyo. Nakapag-loan ba tayo doon sa sa bank,
Yeah.
the Korean, the foreign bank. Tapos ngayon, itong PGN,
Yeah.
itong PGN, Panay Guimaras Negros Island Bridges. Is this funded ba siya ngayon na budget?
Hindi, kasi nilagay nila sa unprogrammed fund nga. Oo.
Meaning, kung ano man yung mangyari doon sa pera na allocated for that specific project, maaaring wala na or nandyan pa.
Yeah.
So, isa yun sa mga question natin ngayon. And, eto lang, nagdoble na kasi bakit pa nila kailangan kumuha ng PhilHealth money to fund a project which has already been funded
Yeah.
through a loan?
Correct.
So, ito yung so, yan ang kailangan nilang sagutin kung saan yung pera na yan. And if yung pera na supposedly na sinabi nyo for that specific project ay properly allocated ba ngayon sa sinasabi nyong project na yan? Kasi kung hindi, hindi.
The total amount is 174.49 billion. Yan yung loan. That's the loan. Plus allocations from 2022 and 2023 national budgets.
We're talking about billions of pesos. Di ba? Billions ba? O niya, kaning itong balik ako ng Quadcom. Kung makaano kayo sa 125 million na confidential funds na kaya namang sagutin talaga ng OVP.
I agree.
Ito nga, wala talaga kayong sinagot na issue about pera. Every time tinatanong kayo sa pera, wala kayong maisagot. Kaya umaabot kayo sa korte. Yan ang nangyayari sa inyo.
And actually, Mayor, no, I think a lot of people medyo natuwa na nang simula na tong mga hakbang ng Supreme Court because right now, you know, a lot of the people na voicing out their concerns ba about what's happening in the national government. Ang last na napupuntahan talaga natin is the Supreme Court. So that's really the final battle dun ba? No? So are you hopeful, Mayor and Tio, na sana talaga the outcome, the resolution of this particular case would be really favorable for all Filipinos?
Well, we can always hope. Hindi, sana naman lang talaga. Sana walang katarantaduhan na ginawa. Ayun, siguro ang pinakauna natin. Hindi naman natin kailangan we will wish, ill of our enemies, but we're talking about money na binayad ng mga tao as tax. Tapos sana yung pera na nandyan pa para magamit naman ng maayos para sa mga tao. Yun.
As a former law student.
Para sa akin, I still trust the judiciary. I still trust on their independence. And I really hope na hindi sila mapopoliticize because the way I see the situation now, I have this feeling or analysis na they would be targeted. Kasi nga, they are exposing almost everything na nangyayari first sa different agencies ng government, next sa Congress and everything. Tapos, if they continue upholding the rule of law, they would be able to uncover more scheme of corruptions under this administration. So, I trust them now more than ever na they would really uphold the rule of the law.